How to add videos to my eyes only on Snapchat from camera roll. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add videos to my eyes only on your Snapchat from camera roll. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Snapchat. After you swipe up, you should be on your memories section. Now head over to the camera rolls section, and after you're there, simply long press on the videos or photos that you want to add on your My Eyes only. After you select those photos and videos, tap on the More option on the bottom and you'll see Hide Items. Tap on that and now you will need to enter your passcode. After you enter your correct password, they will be moved into your My Eyes only. Now, after the loading completes, it's basically done now. If you want to delete the original, you can simply tap on delete to delete them now. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more.